And Diana, investigators have been here for 7 hours trying to get to the bottom of this thing. They thought at first that it was an accident, and then they realized it was much more than that. The victim was driving the car that you see there on your screen. Investigators still trying to piece it all together. What happened here is a bit of a mystery. A possible random and terrifying road rage attack kept investigators on the Davison Service Drive for more than 6 hours today. The man who was driving this red sedan was shot in the head and died here at the scene.
Upon our officers arriving, they realized, yes, they saw what appeared to be bullet holes in the car.
Sources tell Action News they don't know what started the fight between the victim and whoever shot him. The incident unfolded around 11 this morning here on the Davison Service Drive near Oakland Avenue in Highland Park. Investigators say the suspect drove off, and because there are very few surveillance cameras in the area, detectives are hoping witnesses come forward.
We've been backtracking the vehicle, and we realized that our investigation shows that there was a shooting incident that took place some ways west of here, down by John R., where we found some bullet casings.
At this point, no description of the suspect's vehicle has been released. Although many details are sketchy, we do know the victim was alone when he was hit by the fatal shot.
Again, we're playing with many scenarios as to whether this could be an extreme road rage, there could be a planned hit attempt or assassination attempt.
And back out here live, you can see the investigators still at the car. The car actually hit a sign as well and sheared it right off, and it fell down onto the freeway. As far as the victim, he has not been identified, but we can tell you he is a man in his 30s. Police plan to get a search warrant for the car and then for the man's home.